Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou, taking a close look at how this massive rebuild continues to move forward. If you enjoy these detailed section-by-section updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's get started. We begin today's update at the North Goal, where work continues to focus on structural and internal elements. Much of the formwork remains in place here, especially when compared to other sides of the stadium, showing that this area is slightly behind in the finishing sequence. Protective netting limits visibility, but activity can still be spotted along beams and internal corridors. While changes here are subtle from day to day, the work being done is essential groundwork before exterior and finishing phases can fully accelerate. From the North Goal, we make our way along to the lateral side of the stadium, where progress is currently more visible. Near the corner by the parking ramp, retaining walls are now fully concreted, with formwork panels already removed in several sections. Beneath the diamond structure, large structural components remain staged and ready to be lifted toward the third cantilever when scheduled. Along the façade, ceramic louver installation continues to be the main focus. Several lifting platforms are working along the lower section that forms the false ceiling, with new louvers being lifted, aligned, and secured from below. If you enjoy these detailed updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our daily updates. We then move on to the south side of Spotify Camp Nou. Here, preparations for ceramic louvers are well advanced. Connection elements for the louver supports are now installed across all bracket levels, and behind the façade, the interior wall has been painted black. This gives a much clearer idea of the final visual appearance in this zone. While several brackets are still awaiting paint and finishing, the area is structurally ready, and once crews fully return from their break, this section could see increased activity. Finally, we arrive at the Tribuna, where progress is more refined and detailed at this stage of the project. New excavation work has appeared in front of the diamond structure, something that wasn't visible in recent days. Inside, plasterboard walls are in place, and rock wool insulation is being installed across large sections behind the façade. Several compression ring pillars have recently been formworked, showing continued advancement of this critical structural system. Entire sections are now nearing completion, and the overall scale of the stadium becomes more impressive with every update. That's going to wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Progress continues across all sides of the stadium, even if the changes are more gradual at this advanced stage of the rebuild. Each step brings this iconic venue closer to its final form. Thanks for watching today's MegaVerse Builds video. If you enjoyed the update, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. I'll see you again very soon with another full update from the Camp Nou.